Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. I know lot of people are using the Google Sheets in their daily works, but they are doing lot of things manually. I'll teach you 10 best Google Sheet tricks where you can use them in your daily work and speed that up. Okay, let's start from first. First is freeze rows and columns. Okay, usually you might have the long list of items where whenever you are scrolling you will miss the headings here. Okay, so there is one trick. You can freeze the rows and column. Yes, so there are two ways to do it. Okay, first is pretty simple. Whenever you see this dark gray line, you just hover it, you can see hand sign, just click it and push it down wherever you want to freeze it. Let's say I want to freeze first row, so it will freeze first row, and whenever you scroll it, that will not move. Okay, similar to the column, whenever you want to scroll it, you can scroll, just drag it and left it there, so it will fix it there itself. Okay, another way, you can go to view, click on freeze, and you can select the number of rows to fix it. Okay, let's say I want to fix first row, so first row will get freezed. Okay, it's as pretty as simple as that. Okay, let's go to next trick. Next trick is autofill. Okay, let's say I want to put numbers in a sequence, but I don't want to put it manually. Okay, so Google is smart enough to autofill the data whenever you want it. Okay, so let's say just put two, I want to put numbers from first to 15 in this sequence. So what I will do, I'll just put first two or first three, I'll select it and I'll drag it down. So it is as simple as that. Okay, so this trick will help you not only just for numbers, but any sequential points where you can drag it, and Google is smart enough to autofill it. Okay, let's say I want to autofill the months. So let's say Jan, Feb and March, I put it 3, I want to drag it down till December. So what I will do, I'll just put till Jan or Feb, or I'll just put it till March. I'll select it and I'll drag it down. So what it will say, it will autofill the data from Jan to December by default. Even if I stretch it further, it will autofill the months after the December automatically. Okay, this trick will help even if it's a Jan, like it's month plus year. So you can select it and you can drag it down, it will autofill it. Okay, it is as simple as that. This is dragging formula through mouse. Okay, there is another method or another way to use the auto sequence or auto filling for the numbers. Okay, how you can do that? Let's say I have a table where I want to put the serial numbers automatically. So there is a formula, I'll put is equal to, formula is sequence. Okay, just select it. You have to put the number of rows first. So let's say I have a row number 3 to row number 13, the number. So I'll just put 10 rows so that it will automatically fill from 1 to 10. But let's say I don't want to count it. So what I will do, there is one more trick. Click on split here. Sorry, not split. Click on sequence, select it. So you don't have to count the number of rows. Let Google count it. So count A, because we are counting the texts. Tab it, then select this. I just selecting it further if I want to add the number, so it will auto add the sequence. I'll complete the bracket, so it will fill the numbers automatically. Let's say I have added any one number here, it will auto populate it here. So not to worry to put the serial numbers again, you can just use this formula, serial number will drag it automatically. Okay, that's the magic of sequence function. Next is split function. Okay, let's say you have a data where there are lot of delimiters and the data is not sorted as per your requirement. Let's say you have a delimiter here as a at the rate, the dots, underscore, lot of delimiters here. But now what do you want to do? You want to split user ID, the part before at the rate sign, and the domain name with the part after the at the rate sign. I'll give you the simple trick for that. Use split function. You click on the is equal to, put split. You need to select the text where you want to split it, comma. Then you have to put the delimiter. Delimiter is at the rate and at the rate is a text. So you have to do the two quotes at the rate, complete the quotes, complete the bracket, click enter. So username and domain name, it gets separated automatically. Just select it, drag it down so that it will be applicable to all the email IDs. Okay, there is another trick from the data option, so I'll show you that also. I'll just delete this. What you have to do, select the data, go on to data option, click on the split text to column. Then you will see the separator. You have to click it here, go to custom and put @ here and hit enter. So what it will do, it will automatically split user IDs and domain name in referring to same column and next column. But only limitation is if you use this from the data, the original column will get lost. So I will suggest you to use split function always, so that original column will not get affected. Okay, this is the magic of split function. Next is remove duplicate. Now there are two methods for remove duplicate. Let's say there is number of rows data you have and there are repetitive numbers are there. Okay, so two ways you can remove the duplicates. First is simple. You can select the column, click on the data, go to data cleanup, and there is option as a remove duplicate. Click here. It will ask you if he wants to or Google wants to, we want to select the header row or not. Header row is nothing but name. So let's say I have a header row, so it will treat that name or first row as a header name and remove the duplicates from the rest of the rows. So I'll click remove duplicate. So it will show 20 duplicates rows found and removed, 16 only unique name balance. So click on OK. So these are the unique names. This is the first way. I'll just Control Z this. Another way is unique formula. Okay, so click on is equal to, click on unique, write unique, select it, is equal to unique, select the range is this one from second row to end of this. So I don't want to see where it is ending, so I'll just left this as a B and complete this. So it will again show you the unique names in the column B. Okay, and even if you add some random name here, let's say I'm adding one name, so it will get auto calculated or auto considered because in the formula I kept this B column as open. So whenever I'm putting the new entry here, it will also get considered here. It is as simple as that, and it will work even if you have multiple rows and columns in this. So let's say I'll give you one example here. Let's say I have 3 columns and 3 rows. I'll just copy it here. Okay, now you can see serial number, name and subject. There are 3 different rows here. I'll just remove serial number because serial number is unique. Name and subject, see Rahul math, then again Rahul, you can see Rahul math, multiple times it is saying. So this unique function will you can use it multiple columns also. So what you can say, you can again select the unique, select the whole range, whatever you want to put, click enter. So it will again show you the unique from considering these 2 rows. You can copy the heading again, you can put it here. So it is as simple as that. You can use this unique formula for multiple rows, multiple columns at a time. Okay. Next is conditional formatting. I know in daily life you don't have to put the heavy formulated conditional formatting. I'm not covering that here. I'll just cover simple conditional formatting here. Let's say you want to highlight the students or the column where marks are more than 80. So what we can do, select the column D, right click here, select the conditional formatting, put the format rule here. Let's say you want to highlight greater than 80 in, let's say, this color. So you can see it is automatically highlighting the numbers which are more than 80. Let's say if I change it here, it will also get highlighted. Okay, this is nothing but the conditional formatting in a simple way. Okay, next is upper, lower and proper. let's say you have random data where you don't have a proper name here, or you want to put everything in uppercase, you want to put everything in a lower case or in a proper case. So there is a formula. You don't have to do the things manually. Okay, so let's say you want to put everything in upper format or uppercase. So what you can do, click on equal to, put it as a upper. Okay, click here, select the text and click enter, click control enter to put the formula till end. So you can see whatever names are here, all are now in a uppercase. Similarly, lowercase, click is equal to, you can put as a lower, select it, select the text, hit it, hit control enter. So it will be edited till last. So you can see everything is in now lowercase. But now let's say I want to put that in proper format. Proper format is the first letter is in the capital and then rest is in the lower. So what you can do, click here, click proper, select here this one and hit enter, again hit control enter. So fill it. So you can see first is capital, rest is in a lower case, first is in a uppercase, rest is in a lower case. So it will be there for all the names. So it is as simple as that. No need to do it manually in any of the data case. Okay, now I will show you last trick as a drop down and checkbox. Okay, how drop down will help you to avoid the manual writing every time. Okay, I'll teach you that. So let's say you want to put the subject names in front of the student names. Okay, or let's say you are in the industry and you want to put the department name in front of the employee name. It's one and the same, just application is different. So I'll teach you how you can add the drop downs here. So what you can do, click here on the where you want to put the drop down, right click, go down, click on the drop down. Okay, what you can do, there are two options to put a drop down. One is you can put manually here, math, let's say maths, then English, then let's say science. We can do it manually, but let's say we have the pre list here already. So I will avoid manually writing. What I will do, instead of drop down, I'll select drop down from the range. Okay, click here and then select entire range where you want to put the subject. Okay, now you can see in the range itself there are multiple math and it is repeating again. See, let's say English is again repeating, science is also repeating. So Google is smart enough so that it will select unique from the selected list. Let's say I selected list, click on the OK. So see, you can see only unique like math, science, English and history. Those are the unique subjects from here it has selected. You can click on done. So drop down will get created here. So you can see it here and you can select it by default. Just drag the options here and you can select the different subjects from here. Okay, this is the trick. You can use it for the drop down. So no need to put any manually subject or let's say employee ID or let's say department names anywhere. Okay, and last is checkbox. Let's say you have task lists with you and you have to check the boxes wherever task is completed. Okay, you can use it for your daily works, for office works, anywhere you can use it. Okay, so let's say I want to put checkbox here. So simple rule, as we have the data validation rule open here, I'll just click on the add rule, go on the extreme down, you can see the checkbox option here. So click here. So by default checkbox will come here. You can click on the done. Another way you can do, let's say I want to put checkbox here. We have a great function from the Google here as a search menu. Okay, you can go here directly, you can put as a checkbox. So it is giving the option to give the checkbox directly. Click here, it will give you the checkbox here directly. No need to right click, select on the data validation, select it as it is. So Google is smart enough to do the things for you. Just command it, it will do it by itself. Just drag it down and select it as it is. So you can check the boxes wherever the tasks are done. You can uncheck it again whenever you want to uncheck it. So hope you enjoy this great 10 tools, 10 plus tools where you can use it in your daily life and sort the things in a quicker way, and you can be your smart employee or smart self to process or to speed your works in the daily life. Thanks for watching.